know that 90% of all over 40s fail carnivore in the first month? I almost did it until I found these 10 key things. Stick around to learn more what I wish I knew. Let's start with number 1. Use cheese like a topping is something that I did, but when I started Carnivore over 40, I ate cheese like crazy, like a big snack after school. It's so yummy, of course, but it's also full of fat, and I gained weight instead of losing it. Over 40 extra pounds sticks around longer. Now I just put one thin slice on my burger or a tiny bit with my steak, not a whole plate. It still tastes good, but it doesn't mess me up. Save it for a treat, not a meal. Next we'll talk about snacks. Step number 2, don't snack. I used to grab snacks all the time, like chips or jerky, just because I was getting bored watching TV. Over 40, that makes you heavier fast. I learned it's not real hunger, it's just feelings, like being sad or having nothing to do. Now I eat 1 or 2 big meals like a juicy steak and eggs, and I'm full. If I want a snack, I ask, am I really hungry? Usually no. That stopped the extra eating. Up next, salt stuff. Number 3, add salt and stuff. When I quit bread and sugar, I felt super tired and my legs cramped at night. Over 40, your body hates it. It's because you lose salt. Other helpers like magnesium and potassium. I started shaking salt on my meats or mixing it in water, maybe a tablespoon a day. You can buy packets with all 3 if you want. It stopped the cramps and it gave me energy. And next I want to talk about cheap meats, if that's okay. Number 4, eat cheap meats. I thought I needed fancy grass-fed steaks that costs ton of money. Over 40, I can't spend that much. It turns out cheap meat from Walmart or Costco or other stores works just fine. I lost 44 pounds with it. Eggs are super cheap too, like $1 for a bunch. The fancy stuff isn't that different, so don't worry. But what you can afford, cook it up and you will still feel great. And next we will make things fun. Step 5, make it fun for you. I ate plain beef every day and got so bored, and over 40 you'll quit if it isn't fun. I started using spices like pepper or garlic on chicken, and I got a little grilling in the backyard. It's like a game now. Trying new meats or ways to cook keeps me excited. Make it your own so you don't give up. Pick what you like. And step 6, eat what feels right. I ate big piles of meat at first, like 2 steaks, and lost weight fast, but over 40 we're all different. My friend ate less and felt better. Don't copy me, eat what your tummy grows. Stop when it's happy. If you're still hungry, eat more next time. If you're too full, cut back. Figure out as you go, it's your body. And up next, no fruit. Number 7, skip fruit and honey. I thought an apple or honey was okay. It's natural, right? No, it's not on carnivore. Over 40, they can make you gain weight or feel yucky, especially if you sit still a lot. They're full of sugar and that messes up with you. I cut them out and lost more pounds. Stick to meat and feel better. Only super active people might sneak some. And next, know your why. Step number 8, know your why. Over 40, it's hard to keep going without a reason. I wrote mine on a sticky note. Lose 44 pounds and run with my kids. When pizza looked good, I read it and I said no. Just look skinny wasn't enough. I needed a big why. Feeling strong or staying healthy. Write yours down and look at it every day. And next we're going to talk about how you should think differently with the carnivore diet. Step number 9. Think differently. People told me that meats are bad and I need veggies over 40. I believed it forever, but I read books and learned meat's awesome for me. Cholesterol went up, but it's not bad like they say. Plants, I don't need them. Ask questions, look stuff up, and maybe that's what you thought was wrong. It helped me stick with carnivore. And next we're going to talk about keep going. We're going to keep going with the carnivore diet, what you can do and what you should not do. Because step number 10 is keep going every day. Over 40, you don't need to be perfect on carnivore. You just don't stop. I ate too much fat once I had a bad day, no big deal. I didn't quit like before. One slip doesn't ruin it. Just eat meat again tomorrow. I lost 44 pounds by sticking with it, not being perfect. Keep it simple and steady. You'll win too. Stay for it to the end of time. Over 40, carnivore can be tricky. I got heavy and tired, but these 10 things like cheese, snacks, salt, meat, fun, eating right, no fruit, my way, why, new ideas, and keep going, fix it. I lost 44 pounds and I feel awesome, and you can do it too. And that is something that is so crucial with this diet, that you can do it too, and you can develop yourself in directions that you couldn't even thought of or imagine before. When you're trying this diet over 40, it is a game changer for you, because your life is slowly bringing back. I'm getting so much life of this diet, and I feel no hunger at all, and I feel so much more energetic than I have ever done before. When you take this to heart and these 10 tips, when you take them and really digest them and try them one by one, you can try one for the first month and then you change to the second step. It doesn't matter. And if you do slip-ups, don't mind them. Don't mind them slip-ups, because that isn't the way to focus. You shouldn't focus it. If I do a slip-up one day, I can't continue with the carnivore diet. So don't be worried if you're doing it right, if you're doing it in the correct order. It's the diet for you. And the diet is, the way the carnivore works is that you should be able to heal yourself in the best kind of way. So don't worry about that. And if you want to learn more about mistakes that we do on the carnivore diet, press this video where you see on the screen, because there we talk more about mistakes and missteps that we can do. Press this video and hopefully I see you over there.